Hi, in today's video I am going to show how to set up a Touch ID on your iPhone or fingerprint ID. To do things on your iPhone like unlock your phone, use Apple services, install apps. If you haven't set this up, I show you how to do this, so let's get started. Now open Settings. Scroll down for Touch ID and passcode. Open it. Then enter your home screen password. Then navigate to Add Fingerprint. Place your finger on the Home button. Lift and keep your finger repeatedly. Then hit Continue and lift and keep your edges of your finger to adjust grip. That's it, you have successfully added your Touch ID on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more. And hit the like button if you found this helpful. And let me know what you thought in the comments below.